Montgomery County, Texas. KTRK, Texas Department of Safety is investigating a helicopter crash in Montgomery County. The crash site is near Bethel Road, about 4 miles south of FM 149. There's no immediate word how many people may have been on board. The extent of any injuries is unknown. Authorities with DPS and the Montgomery County Sheriff's Office are investigating. Texas Department of Public Safety troopers and Montgomery County Sheriff's Office deputies are responding to a helicopter crash near Bethel Road, approximately 4 miles south of FM 149. DPS Public Information Officer is en route. pic.twitter.com/TWHLW3 issue. McTex Sheriff, @McTex Sheriff, March 27, 2019. Montgomery County, helicopter crash, Bethel Road 1 mile south of FM 149. DPS on scene. PIO en route. Unknown injuries. TX DPS, Southeast Texas Region, at TexDeep Southeast, March 27, 2019.